Every day, we retreat into the home, the hearth, where we gather and exhale. Taking time out of our day to stop and smell the rosemary carrots. At Bosch, we know that everything our engineers touch lives. To silence the noise, remove distractions, unclutter the mind, and preserve what makes us home, allowing us to relish the countless small details, knowing they add up to something so much bigger. Finding joy in the moment and peace in what's lasting. These are the things that nourish our lives. These are the details to savor. Bosch, invented for life.